Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be explaining all about Inspiration Award project, especially this Inspiration Award winning project that is going to help the farmers, especially in the agricultural space. So you implemented three ways how we can benefit farmers by using this science project. The first thing we have implemented here is scarecrow. Here, especially in the agriculture fields, there are always problems with birds, animals, which will come and eat all the vegetables, corns which we grow in the agricultural fields. In order to scare them or in order to throw those animals out, we created a scarecrow which will be acting as a deterrent for these animals, birds, so that by seeing these scarecrow, birds will feel that there is a human being is present in that place. In that time, what happens is those birds won't be coming into this agricultural fields. In that way, we are going to safeguard our agriculture crops. That is a number one method we have implemented here. So we are going to demonstrate how this scarecrow is implemented. If it that birds, if it watches in any direction, it feels that there is a human being present in the agricultural fields. Hence, those birds or animals don't turn up into this agricultural fields. In that way, we are going to safeguard our agricultural crops. Second thing we have implemented here is, here what we done is, for all our energy requirement or power requirements, we use solar panels for our houses, on the agricultural street lights, and even for water pump, we have made use of solar energy here. So just we wanted to depict a solar energy, we have implemented solar house plus solar street light in the agricultural field. So in that way, we are going to help the farmers on the use of solar power. And the third project which we implemented here for agricultural farmers is seed drying area. Suddenly, when it rains, seeds will get destroyed, which we kept for drying. Now, in order to save these seeds, so what we have done is we have implemented a rain detector here. So what happens is when it detects rain, what it does, this rain protector will close this area so that the rain water doesn't enter into this seeds area. In this way, so we are going to safeguard these seeds from getting wetting from rains and destroying from the rains. So now we are going to simulate the rains just by pouring few drops of water to this rain detector. Now we see what happens. See, if you can see, right, this area get closed. What happens is when rain is getting detected, what happens, this seed drying area got closed. In that way, these seeds are getting protected from rains and these seeds doesn't get wet. So this is how we are going to help the agricultural farmers. I hope you like this video. If you guys really like this video, please like the video as well as share with your friends so that they will also get the benefits out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.